Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Opel Astra H 1.7 CDTI. The right engine mount on this car is located just underneath the air filter housing, so in order to get to the engine mount we need to remove the air filter housing. Now that the air filter housing is removed, we have access to the right engine mount. That's the right engine mount right there. The engine mount is held by 6 bolts, 3 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 on the back right there. Before removing those bolts, first we need to get a jack to hold the engine. This is the jack that I'm using. I put the wood in between the jack and the oil pan just to keep it from damage. You just need to put it all the way to the oil pan so that it holds it in place while we remove the engine mount, and now we can remove the bolts. And that's the engine mount out. Now putting it back on is in the exactly reverse way. We put the engine mount on and then we put the bolts on. If needed, you might want to lift up or lower down the engine with the jack, and so that you can put the bolts on. Now we're going to tighten the bolts and then remove the jack from underneath the engine, and then we're done with replacing the right engine mount. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.